Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. It's happy mail time, and this is a wonderful birthday mail that my dear friend Joann had sent to me. This is an Atelier vintage subscription ephemera box, and this theme is literary and writing ephemera, so I'm so excited. Rosie is the owner and the curator for this beautiful subscription box. Look at the way she used her handmade paper. So some of the items that you see here on the cover in the box are some of the things that you will get. So she gives you a preview of what the stamps are in there. This is her signature wax seal. It says Atelier, and look at the personalization here. So Joann had sent a little message and Rosie had wrote it out for her. It says, "To Clarissa, best wishes on your birthday. May you have many, many more. Love, Joann." Thank you so much. You are so sweet. And this is actually a nameplate, so it has my full name. And last year, Joann surprised me with one of these beautiful boxes, and I'll show you what I did. So I upcycled the packaging and made it into an ephemera booklet like this. Super easy to make, and then I used the same little plate that Rosie had put on the box as a cover. So if you'd like to see how to make one of these, I'll put the link at the end of this video. But right now, we need to unbox this and see what is in this beautiful kit. Look at it, it is filled. And I love that this box is always filled with a good variety of ephemera. So many beautiful pieces. And we will just put this aside so we can have a better look at what's in here. We have a box here, and this is the washi. It says note paper, so I think that's the style of the washi that's included here. Let me see if I can pull it off and give you a little sample here. Sorry. Hold on. There you go. So it is paper. It feels like, you know, the printing sheet that you get when you're printing a receipt. That's the texture I'm getting from this one. Really pretty. I love this. What a great idea to use also your stamps if you have it. Here's a little thank you for your purchase. And it tells you all their socials. Instagram is Atelier. And it's the same one here on YouTube. Let's open up the first envelope. I love how she puts them in these very like elegant vellum envelopes with her sticker. Oh my gosh. So Joann had told me that she did get one for herself. For some reason it gets to California first before it gets to their area. She lives in Memphis, so I hope it gets to her soon so she can enjoy it. We have different ephemeras here with like signatures from authors and some writings. These are fun. Look at this. We have Shakespeare. This would go great in a writing journal. I love the thickness of this card. That's really fun. Then there's a little bit of Vincent van Gogh here. Notre Dame de Paris with Victor Hugo. And what is this? Not sure, but it'd still be fun for a journaling card. That's the first envelope. Here's the next one. This is so much. Thank you, Joann. And each of these envelopes has so many. I mean, it is filled, I think, with over 100 pieces or more. But I know that I'm still working on using some of the ones that came from that other kit, and that is awesome. Hold on, let me just show you. So here's some stickers, it looks like, with a pen nib. We have different fonts here. That's really cool. And more fonts. Looks like a vintage ad. Little book cover. Good variety. Look at this. Fun little miniature versions of book pages. Oh, I love that. There's some crows. Perfect for maybe Halloween journal or something. And this, why do I know this book? I know this book. Oh my gosh, I can't seem to think what the title is, but there's a lion there. I know I might have this in my collection actually. Let me know if you recognize it. Of course, we have Alice in Wonderland. What's this? Music sheet. Here's a beautiful little pen sticker. That's really nice. We have these prompts with the name, I believe. And oh, I love this. These are little return stamps. Might be from a library. And then these are just metrical pieces, and there's so many already, and that's only the first 2 envelopes. I love this, the Underwood typewriter. Look at that. Bookseller Stationery, 1906. That is so cool. Look at those different nibs. And then we have our different fonts here. They use a different term, not fonts. There was another word for that when it came to lettering. But here are the Roman alphabets. Formal. Cute. Arnold's gum. Inks. And these have a glossy finish on them, so that's pretty neat. Tools for lettering, so you can definitely see already lay them out like that on the page. I love this. The newest speedball, Flicker. It's so fun to see also vintage ads, and so when I see these, look at this stamper. It is so much fun. Oh my gosh. And we have that. What do we have here? Another one of Eagle Pencil, vertical number 2, New York. How fun. So that is envelope number 1 for Ephemera. We have another one here. So pretty. Look at how many items are still in there. But let me take them out so we can look at them piece by piece. Give you a preview of what comes in this subscription box. I love seeing unboxings of these types of stationery hauls and whatnot. But Rosie does a really great job making sure that these are well curated, and she really tries not to have only one of a kind with so many duplicates. Instead, she mixes it up with a good variety. Look at that. I love this vellum piece for calendar. So you can use it as an overlay on an image like that. So you get 3, which I appreciate because, you know, we have several layouts, and I love the different textures that she adds. So this is more on the vellum side. Now this one's a matte page, and it looks like it's a sticker. Great for collaging. And we have our favorites, which are these oval labels that I always love to use. What is this? A stamp? Oh, that's fun. Then we have some clear little vinyl type stickers. There is so many. Oh my gosh. And the shipping's included, at least that's what I have heard from Joann. I've purchased one of these boxes in the past, and I'll put the link of that unboxing if you are interested. And how adorable is this? I hope you see this. It's like a stack of postcards and letters. And here's another one with some old book pages. Doesn't that look so cute? It's a junk journal. Definitely lay out there. And then we have these cute stickers again. Some that have letters and some quotes on them. And more of the stickers. Love this. Put that there. And this one, see, she doesn't do this often, but when she does, I mean, she puts just enough, I think, that you can play around with, and then she mixes it up with all this stuff. And then we have this. Oh wow, this is so cool, Joann, thank you. And I love again the textures. This one has more handmade paper feel to it. Oh, and she's also included something similar in the past boxes where there's a calendar. I see some ducks and birds. How fun is that? And then we have this one. It looks like a handwritten letter with love. Oh, it's Christopher Robin. It says with love from Christopher Robin. That's so cool. And we have more of these. And she has also included, so on the front you saw that cover, we have a stamp. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? This will look so fun to stamp on a journal. Here is one where the writer is by the desk. We have our ink well here, some of our writing tools, and numerics. Really fun. That is so cool. And she has one more pack here. Let's see what's in this bag. And as you can see, there is a lot of goodies. So here is the last pack, and there's one more wrapped package here, a little piece, but how beautiful are these colors? Oh wow, I can't wait to make another fun journal using all these items and use some of them in my junk journals to sell and junk journals to keep, and the ones I'm currently using. And she also makes her own handmade paper, so these are some of them. Oh, these are beautiful. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh, it's, look, Winnie the Pooh. How funny. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Christopher Robin. And these are sticker sheets. Oh wow, that's really cool. The Wind in the Willows. How fun is that? So we have that and one more wrapped item here. I love it. This is a wonderful, wonderful gift, and I love it. I love it. Oh my. And I am just tearing this out. This looks like a calendar sheet that was wrapped around our stamp. And I'm not familiar with this quote, but still fun to use for journaling. So this is a look at our Atelier's literary and writing subscription ephemera box. I am just in love with all these beautiful pieces. I cannot wait to make this into my new ephemera little booklet, and I will share I'll share it with you soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. Again, thank you so much, Joann, for this beautiful birthday gift. I love it, and I hope you get your box soon. Make sure to check out Joann's channel. She has some wonderful hauls, and if you'd like to see it, I'll put a link down below. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.